Every great idea starts with one simple question. Is this really worth building? Before you invest months of effort or millions in resources, you deserve real answers, not guesses. Welcome to MarketPulse, your data-powered reality check before launch. MarketPulse brings together what truly matters: market trends, patents, academic research, competitor movements, and real community conversations, all in one intelligent view. No hype, no gut feelings, only real signals backed by real data. In just minutes, you can spot emerging trends, identify untapped gaps, and understand what's driving innovation right now. With our Innovation Deep Dive, you explore the latest research, simplified and actionable. With our patents and IP radar, you visualize technology landscapes and uncover true white spaces. And with community signals, you hear directly from real users, builders, and adopters. Before you ever commit to building, every idea becomes a structured insight card, mapping the problem, the solution concept, market revenue potential, and a data-backed execution scorecard showing feasibility, risk, and timing. So instead of guessing whether an idea will succeed, you actually know. This is MarketPulse. Know your idea's future before you build it. Now let's see how it works. From the main dashboard, we click on MarketPulse. This opens the MarketPulse dashboard, your central workspace for exploring and validating ideas. Here you can see two categories: ideas that already have MarketPulse reports generated and ideas that are still waiting for validation. To generate insights for any new idea, simply click on Generate MarketPulse Report. You're now taken to the report builder for your selected idea. Just scroll down. Within moments, MarketPulse creates your market fit and execution scorecard, a data-backed snapshot that evaluates market potential, customer pain, technical feasibility, timing, implementation effort, and adoption readiness. This scorecard instantly shows you where the opportunity is strong and where the risks truly lie. Next, we move to trend analysis. With one click on Generate Trends, MarketPulse scans keyword growth and market signals to surface emerging patterns around your idea. After that, we dive into research papers. Click Generate Research Papers to pull curated academic and technical publications directly related to your concept. No manual searching required. Then we head over to patents. Clicking Generate Patents reveals relevant IP filings and technology movement so you can understand who's building what and where white spaces still exist. Next up is community signals. By clicking Generate Community Signals, MarketPulse analyzes real discussions from platforms like Reddit and GitHub to capture authentic developer and user sentiment. And finally, we run competitor analysis. With one click on Generate Competitor Analysis, you get a structured view of active players, emerging startups, and potential market leaders already operating in your space. Together, these insights form a complete 360-degree validation report for your idea, helping you move forward with confidence, clarity, and data-driven strategy.